Hi, I'm Julie, nuCamp's Marketing Director. Experience the perfect blend of luxury and adventure with a Tab 400. This spacious teardrop trailer was designed for those who crave the open road without sacrificing comfort and style. Let's take a look at the 2025 Tab 400.
The Tab 400 is nuCamp's largest teardrop trailer, weighing in at just under 3,000 pounds. This camper is the ideal choice for those seeking extra space without sacrificing the ease of towing. Its thoughtfully designed interior and lightweight build makes it the perfect blend of comfort and convenience for your adventures on the road. The 2025 model year introduces minimal changes, maintaining the innovative features and design of the previous model year. One significant upgrade for the 2025 model is the addition of the XL diamond plate storage tub on the front of the unit. With 8.4 cubic feet of space, this lockable storage tub greatly enhances your storage capacity. It features a dedicated compartment for your propane tank and a side panel for easy access, even when unlocked. Additionally, there's a long, slim compartment at the bottom of the unit, which is accessible from either side, providing a convenient storage option for hoses. The Tab 400 comes with handles to assist you in maneuvering your trailer at the campsite. This model has a 7-pin connector to transmit power from your vehicle to your camper. New this year, the 2025 model has a protective cover for your 7-pin, which shields this component and securely mounts it to the frame of the unit for enhanced durability. Moving to the driver's side, you'll find the shore power connection and access panel for the Nautilus water management system. This efficient and user-friendly water system includes a key inside the panel, allowing you to easily position the knobs to the mode needed. Additionally, this panel houses the solar port, enabling owners to connect extra solar panels if desired. Now, let's explore the passenger side. At the rear of the unit, you'll find an illuminated storage compartment which houses the battery disconnect switch. Conveniently located next to the door are two 110-volt outlets, perfect for powering your outdoor appliances and accessories. If your Tab 400 is equipped with a bunk, you'll also have a lagoon table mount, providing a versatile outdoor dining or workspace setup. This model features a powerful 310-watt solar panel, enabling you to harness the sun's energy efficiently. Additionally, it includes an external LP hookup, which has been conveniently relocated on the rear passenger side for easier access. Now that we've explored the exterior, let's step inside. The Tab 400 is thoughtfully designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. It boasts premium amenities and everything you need to make it your perfect home on wheels. Just inside the door, you'll find the controls for the Alda heating system and air conditioning. Designed for 3-season use, the Tab 400 allows you to camp comfortably from spring through late fall. Also located here is the nuCamp control panel, which includes light switches, tank level monitors, and the water pump control. The Tab 400 offers two versatile floor plans, a traditional dinette or a hideaway bunk. The bunk is cleverly concealed within the dinette when not in use and is easily deployed, making this floor plan ideal for small families or grandparents who want to take their grandchildren on occasional camping trips. Beneath the dinette, you'll find additional storage space, including a dedicated compartment for the lagoon table leg and arm. The traditional dinette features a rail-mounted table that can be easily detached and reconfigured to create a secondary sleeping area. The dinette configuration is the only difference between these two floor plans. All other features and components remain the same. Now, let's take a look at the well-equipped kitchenette, where you can whip up delicious meals right at your campsite. You'll find a sink, a spacious 4.6 cubic foot 12-volt compressor refrigerator, a 2-burner stove, and an optional microwave, or a cabinet if you prefer. Storage cabinets above and below the stove keep all your kitchen essentials and food items neatly organized. The expansive picture window provides a beautiful view of your campsite from the comfort of the interior. Beneath the kitchenette, the power distribution center houses your breakers and fuses, ensuring everything runs smoothly. In addition to air conditioning, the Tab 400 features a fan to provide ventilation and keep the interior cool. Entertainment is a breeze with the Tab 400 standard Bluetooth radio system and 24-inch television, perfect for those rainy days when you want to relax indoors. In the sleeping area, the first thing you'll notice is the large stargazer window. One of the joys of traveling is choosing your backyard, and with this window, you can enjoy the views or drift off to sleep under the stars. The dual-pane acrylic windows come equipped with a screen and shade system for optimal airflow and privacy. For 2025, we've added tinting to the windows for enhanced privacy. The bed is supported by the Frawley Sleep System, providing exceptional comfort. At the foot of the bed, you'll find outlets and USB ports for charging your devices. At the head of the bed, 2 reading lights and a convenient cubby are perfect for storing nighttime essentials. The battery heat switch, along with additional outlets and USB ports, are located here. The Tab 400 is outfitted with a Bluetooth Smart Shunt battery monitor and a 100 amp-hour lithium battery featuring internal heat. Your battery is located beneath the bed. The handy drawer at the base of the bed offers extra storage space for your belongings. The cabinet below the fridge has been upgraded from a cubby to a drawer, providing better protection for your belongings. Finally, let's step into the spacious wet bath. Designed to bring the comforts of home on the road, this wet bath features a toilet, a stylish corner vessel sink, a detachable shower head, and overhead storage with accent lighting. The porthole window allows natural light to stream in while a shade ensures your privacy. Now that we've covered the features of the Tab 400, let's explore your options for customizing your camper. You can personalize your sidewalls with a choice of white, silver, or charcoal for an additional cost. The roof comes in white or silver, and the exterior trim options include bright white, steel gray, or jet black. For those looking to stand out in the campground, inquire with your dealer about our custom color options. Our skilled paint technicians can match your trailer to the color of your preference, ensuring a camping experience that truly reflects your unique style. Additionally, you can select from 2 graphic designs, Frontier and Tempest. These graphics can also be customized to the color of your choice for an additional fee. Our Teardrop models come equipped with the comprehensive features of our Boondock package as standard. However, if you prefer a more traditional touring experience, we offer our Classic package. This package transforms the Tab 400 into a streamlined unit by swapping out the wheels, tires, fender, axle, and entry door handle for a classic touring style. If you're on the hunt for off-grid essentials, look no further than our Black Canyon upgrade. This option includes an additional 310-watt solar panel and holding tank heaters to enhance your camping experience. Red underglow lights are also added beneath the unit, providing gentle nighttime illumination that's easy on the eyes and less likely to disturb wildlife or fellow campers. For those seeking extended off-grid capabilities, consider adding the Lithium Upgrade. This upgrade includes 400 amp hours of 12-volt lithium batteries and a powerful 3,000-watt Multi-Plus inverter charger. Your Multi-Plus will be located beneath the bed. With Battleborn batteries powering your adventures, this lithium upgrade enables longer and more extensive boondocking experiences. Purchasing a new camper is an investment. You can protect your investment with the nuCamp Ultimate Protection Plan. All of our teardrops come with a 1-year comprehensive tip-to-tail warranty that covers workmanship and all your components. By adding the Ultimate Protection Plan, you extend that exceptional coverage to a full 7 years. With no deductible and a plan that is 100% managed by nuCamp, you can have peace of mind and enjoy your adventures knowing nuCamp has you covered.
Whether you're planning a cross-country journey or a weekend escape, the Tab 400 offers everything you need to make the trip memorable. For more information or to contact a dealer near you, visit our website at nucamprv.com.